Good day, everyone. We are the Group 4, and we are here to present to you our game title, which is The Harvest Harmony with Lara. So, my name is Enric Rowan Dakot, and my team members is Buraga Dalanyasha, Binadoy Arnolson M, and Mihia Maria Risa. So, as you can see, Mr. Binada is sharing her screen to show to you the 70% game development. So, what is Harvest Harmony with Lara? Harvest Harmony with Lara, it is an immersed, dynamic, and interactive world in this captivating virtual frame farming game. By planting a variety of crops systematically, each with its unique growth requirements and time frame. They may cultivate their land, players gain knowledge of the subtitles of the seasonal planting and crop rotation as they go, which enable them to optimize yields and keep a thriving farm. Now, Miss Buraga is explaining what is the different types of characters.
All right. So, again, I'm one of the member, and my name is Dylan Shaboraga. So, I'll be explaining about different types of characters. We do have Lara, Farmer Colas, various villagers, and also for just for clarification, we do have Lara for the main protagonist, a hardworking and resourceful farmer. We do have Mayor Sandra Santos, a friendly village elder who provides quests and guidance. And of course, we do have Farmer Colas or Mang Colas, a seasoned farmer who offers advice and sells supplies. We do have Shopkeeper Joy, who is running the local market where Lara sells her produce. We do have various villagers, non-player characters or NPCs who provide quests or interact with Lara in the village. So these NPCs might have unique stories or requests.
So for the game level, here are Mr. Binaday to explain.
So for our 70% game development, we already developed and designed farmland, soil, character, NPC, backdrop, foreground, codes, and some interaction. And for our 30%, we already working the level 2 and 3, interactions between characters and more cleaning for designs. For level 1, the game is planting rice as start of farming simulation. The players can learn the fundamentals of farming by planting, growing, and harvesting. And for our level 2, the game unlocks the ability to plant carrots. The struggle of managing seasonal changes in harvesting can create engaging gameplay, encouraging players to think strategically about their choices. Once harvested, you can sell your root crops at the market or use them for additional bonuses for higher profits. For level 3, as you progress in the game, it unlocks the animals like pigs and chickens. To expand your virtual farm, animals can be purchased from the in-game market, which are essential for crafting and completing orders.
So for the other information for our game, Miss Mejia, the floor is yours.
For summing up the games, the players must balance their time and resources between tending to their crops and animals, ensuring their farm operates smoothly and efficiently. The season changes and their impact on harvesting. This kind of gameplay element can add depth and strategy to the game, especially in farming or resource management. All things considered, this game provides a complex experience that blends social cooperation, strategic planning, and agricultural management, making it accessible to the broad spectrum of players who value community and the fulfillment that comes from creating something wholly owned.
So that's all that's the end of our presentation, and I hope all of you enjoy our game. Of course, it's not 100% from now, but we're working the other 30%. So I hope the you gain knowledge about our game. That's all. Thank you.